to ZubiDubiKids. Come along and sing with me, we'll learn our letters A to Z. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for drum, drum. A, B, C, D, come sing along, learning letters with this song. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, E, F, G, H, come sing along, learning letters with this song. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jam, jam. K is for kite, kite. L is for lamp, lamp. I, J, K, L, come sing along, learning letters with this song. N is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, M, N, O, P, come sing along, learning letters with this song. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rocket, rocket. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. Q, R, S, T, come sing along, learning letters with this song. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. U, V, W, X, come sing along, learning letters